Hi, this is Miss Hudson. This was yesterday's lesson that we went over. Our goal is to be able to identify the symbols of the United States. This will help you to understand the importance of being citizens of the United States, and you will show your understanding by answering questions about American symbols. So in our previous lesson, we talked about some responsibilities that citizens have. Can you name a responsibility that a citizen has? One responsibility is to vote. That's an important responsibility. Another responsibility could be helping the homeless, or another responsibility could be picking up trash on the playground. So things that you can do or a person can do to help their community. So today we're going to talk about symbols. Say symbols for me. Good. Symbols. Symbols, something that stands for something else. Some symbols are so popular that we don't even have to see the name of the company, but we still know what they represent. For example, looking at this picture here, when I brought it up, you automatically knew that the company was McDonald's. Yes, you're correct. The company was McDonald's. So there was no name on here that said McDonald's, but just by looking at it, you knew that it was McDonald's. So this is a symbol, or it represents McDonald's. Oh boy, I know you got excited when you saw that one. Now, what company does this symbol represent? Yes, Wendy's. You will be correct if you said Wendy's. This represents Wendy's. And again, it does not have a name on it or anything, but you know that it represents Wendy's. Oh, good. Chuck E. Cheese. Yes. Again, all it had that C on it, that C could have meant crispy critters or something, right? But you knew that that represented Chuck E. Cheese. Again, these are symbols that represent something. So people are not citizens of just their community or their state, but they're also citizens of a country. For example, we are citizens of Detroit, but we're also citizens of Michigan because we live in Detroit, Michigan. And oh my goodness, we're also citizens of the United States of America. And so we are going to learn about some symbols that represent the United States of America. So here, one of the important symbols is the American flag. The American flag is a very important symbol of the United States. So again, the American flag is a symbol. Say it with me. The American flag is a symbol. One more time. The American flag is a symbol. Very good. The stars represent the 50 states. There are 13 stripes on the flag that represent the 13 original colonies. So again, the American flag is a symbol. Very good. Now we have the Pledge of Allegiance. A Pledge of Allegiance is a promise to love, honor, and respect our country. So again, a Pledge of Allegiance is a promise. Repeat after me. A Pledge of Allegiance is a promise. The pledge is a promise. And here is the Pledge of Allegiance, and we say it every morning here at school. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That is the pledge or the promise that we make each day to our country. And this is just a quick breakdown of the pledge and the promise. I do have a video that I'm going to put in Google Classroom, and it will talk through each of these points. So please take time to watch the video after watching this one. And again, we're back to the American flag. Now, I just want to review again. The Pledge of Allegiance is a promise, and the American flag is a symbol of the United States. So, getting back to the flag, when we say our Pledge of Allegiance, we stand still and straight. So we stand up, we stand still, we stand straight, and we look at the American flag. And we place our right hand over our heart as we say the pledge. Again, because the Pledge of Allegiance is a promise. If you have a hat on, it's polite to take it off and place it over your heart. So let's talk about some ways to take care of and handle the flag, because the flag, again, is an important symbol of our country, the United States of America. The flag should be lighted at all times, either by sun or by an appropriate light source. The flag should be flown in good weather, unless the flag is specially designed for use in bad weather. When the flag is lowered, no part, absolutely no part of it should touch the ground or any other object. It should be received by waiting hands and arms. To store the flag, now this is an important one, it should be folded neatly and carefully. Everyone say neatly and carefully. How should it be stored again? Neatly and carefully. The flag should be clean and mended when necessary. When a flag is so worn, it is no longer fit to serve as a symbol of our country. It should be destroyed by burning in a dignified manner. So if it's worn and it's got holes in it or something like that, we don't just toss it in the trash can. No, this is a symbol of our country, so we have to get rid of it or dispose of it properly by burning it. And I do have a video that shows how we neatly fold the flag to store it. So that will also be in your Google Classroom as well. So please make sure to watch that video after this one. Everyone say patriotism. Good job. Let's say it one more time. Patriotism. So patriotism is showing love and respect for our country. Again, repeat after me. Patriotism, showing love and respect for our country. Saying the Pledge of Allegiance and respecting the flag are ways to show patriotism. I'm going to say that one more time. Saying the Pledge of Allegiance and respecting the flag are ways to show patriotism. What are some ways we can show patriotism? Oh my goodness, if you said saying the Pledge of Allegiance, that's one way, you are absolutely right. Very good. All right, so I would say that before you complete this assignment, please make sure that you watch the 2 videos that are also in Google Classroom attached to this assignment. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.